guys, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about the most skincare mistakes that we always do. Before moving on to the video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also hit that bell icon so that you'll get notified every time I post a new video. And also follow my Instagram page. I post almost every day makeup and skincare related videos. So now let's move on to the video. So first thing first, always choose the right cleanser. This is the part where we always go wrong. We tend to buy so much of moisturizer, so good quality serums and everything, but we fail to purchase the right cleanser. We just end up getting whatever that is available. Please do not make that mistake. Choosing the right cleanser is the most important part of our skincare routine, because that's the first step that we are going to do to our skin. So it needs to be really good. So always choose the right cleanser. That is, it has to be very mild without drying out your skin. When we are in our teenage years, we always have this nice and supple skin, but as we age, gradually it just removes all the moisture, and it just makes our skin looking very dry. The reason behind that is we would have started with a really bad cleanser that over the years it has actually made our skin really worse. So that is the main cause of breakouts and acne problems. So always choose a cleanser that is mild, and also it shouldn't rip out the natural moisture. Even leave your skin very soft without drying out the natural moisture from your skin. If you are a teenager watching this video, just keep this in mind. You don't need 1,000 of products to apply on your face. Just do a normal routine like cleansing, moisturizer and sunscreen. That is the three most important products that you have to apply on your face. Other than that, you just have to keep yourself hydrated and smile always. So my second tip is using cotton pad and cleansing wipes. All these are very harmful to your skin. You can still use it, but do not overuse it. For everything, do not just go pick up a cotton pad and start wiping your face, or use a makeup wipes and start cleaning your face instead of actually going and washing your face. Please do not do that mistake. You can still use a cotton pad, but make sure it is fully drenched with water before you use it, because when you are going to use a cotton pad which has little bit of dryness to it, it will damage the skin barrier. So try not to overuse these products. It may damage you. Next one, do not wash your face with hot water while you are taking bath or washing your face. Always wash your face in lukewarm water, or cold water is actually the best way to wash your face, because once you actually wash your face with the hot water, it is going to make your skin dry, which will cause breakouts in the future. My fifth tip is to use a different towel for your hair and a different towel for your face. Please do not use the one which you're using for your hair on your face, because that is the main reason that we actually get breakouts and pimples. Because when we have dandruff, they start greasing, and it start getting on our foreheads, which will cause acne in your foreheads and in your face. So always choose make sure to use a different towel for your hair and a clean towel for your face. And also, please do not scratch your head and then immediately touch your face. That is also going to be harmful. Please do not do that. Do not actually touch your face often. Make sure you wash your hands regularly without when you go outside and come inside. Make sure you wash your hands before you actually touch your face. My next step is, do not sleep with makeup on. This is actually a mistake that most people do. Please wash your face before you actually sleep. Please do not sleep with your makeup on, because we are exposed to dirt and so many other things during our daytime, and when you go sleep like that, it is going to clog into your pores, which will cause breakouts and acne. The next tip, I can't stress this enough, always wear a sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important. Even for me, when I was a teenager, I skipped using a sunscreen, which actually made my skin very dry and dehydrated. But once I started using sunscreen, there's so much difference to my skin texture. So always use a sunscreen, because when our skin is exposed to those UV lights or the sunlight, it is going to damage the skin barrier. It is going to make our skin look very dehydrated and dull. So always choose the right sunscreen and apply your sunscreen every day. Even if you're going to stay indoors, sunscreen is very important. My next tip, this is the most important tip that I'm going to say today. Please have a proper diet, because skincare always starts from within. What we eat, it's only going to reflect on the outside. If you're going to eat junk all day and put 1,000 of expensive products on your face and when you expect a result, it is not going to happen, because only if our body is clean inside, you will have a clean, clearer skin outside. So always have a proper diet. Eat healthy food, only then it will reflect on the outside. Trust me, I've also had my pimple days. I've also had breakouts. I've had a very bad pigmentation problem when I was pregnant with my kids. So it really takes a lot of time and a good diet to get to where I am today. So please have a healthy diet and try to avoid junk as much as possible. My last tip is to have a proper routine. Please do have a proper skincare routine and follow it religiously. Actually, when I was young, that is when I was 5 to 6 years, I've seen my mom doing her skincare routine. I think that she's the most important reason in my years to where I am today. I've seen her doing her cleansing, I've seen her doing a moisturizing. Even if it's midnight, she still does her skincare routine very religiously. I've seen her doing it, and when I grew up, I also wanted to be like how my mom was. So that is the main reason to have this now. So always have a proper skincare routine, even if it's late at night, even if you are in a hurry in the morning. Try to do, even if it's just 2 to 3 steps, just do it religiously. That being said, you don't need thousands of expensive products in your skincare bag. You just need to have a proper kit that actually works for you: a toner, a cleanser, a moisturizing, and a serum, and also sunscreen. So only these products you need, and try to use it regularly. Only if you use it regularly, it is going to show result, because when you do it now and tomorrow when you wake up and you expect a result, it is not going to happen. So you have to use it regularly. Over the years, you will find the result. So that's it, guys. Hope you all like this video. Please do make sure not to make all these skincare mistakes. Try to follow the tips and you will have a healthy looking and clearer looking skin in no time. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and comment. And also don't forget to follow my Instagram page. Thank you so much. Bye.